You sculpted the Murti of Bhagwan Ram. How do you feel now?
I feel I'm the luckiest person in the earth, and also the blessings of my ancestors and family members, and also blessings of Ram Lalla. It is really, sometimes I feel like I'm in a dream world.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಥರ ಬೆಳಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡವನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಗನೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗನೂ ಈ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸಂತೋಷ
ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು?
ಈಗ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋದು.
A lot of people came in saying that our house is a mandir now, like a temple, and everybody gave us blessings and a lot of love. We are very overwhelmed with the response we are getting. Arun, we couldn't have a word with Arun because he's been busy and we couldn't talk much. We just got to know that he is okay and will be coming home soon.